Hi, I'm Warren Stevens from Magic 98.9. I'm the program director there. I'm also an air personality. I'm the afternoon drive person from 3 to 7. The days vary from the beginning of the week to the end of the week. A typical day might be filled with meetings, the beginning of the week. Then towards the end of the week, it gets a little more busier as far as going into the weekend and covering off shows and weekend shifts and any live broadcasts around town, and to cover music logs and traffic logs and the whole 9 yards. So I got started in radio in high school when I was 14. We had a little 10-watt radio station, WHS 91.7 on the dial, and just enough to get around our county and our town, and really got into that in the 9th grade. I started there when I was 14 doing sports broadcasting, play-by-play broadcasting, that type of stuff, and I just stayed with it and never looked back. The interesting part of the job is the people you get to meet. You get to meet a lot of great people, whether it's music artists, actors, and I get the biggest joy out of meeting our Magic 98.9 listeners. I love talking, whether it's on the phone or in person at a weekend event. The listeners are the greatest and most interesting thing. And here are 5 things, my top 5, so to speak, that you may not know about me, that you may want to know so you know me a little bit better. Number 1, by nature, I'm automatically a laid-back type of person, not too much of a talker, more of a listener. So if you were around me for any length of time, you notice that I don't say a whole lot. I'm not a talker. I like to listen. Number 2, I love music. I love all types of music. Although on Magic 98.9 we play R&B and classic soul, I can literally sometimes go home, plug the headphones into the computer. I can listen to anything from the Marvin Gayes to Stevie Ray Vaughan, Pink Floyd, Patsy Cline. I have a very diverse musical taste, including all forms of hip-hop. With number 3, I've also played music before. I've been trained to play music in the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade in percussion. And I enjoy that as well. Number 4, I love kids and I love working with kids of all ages, and I'm a firm believer that the better society or better community you want to have, make sure you give our young people as many opportunities as you possibly can. Number 5, one of my guilty pleasures as far as eating goes, I don't want to say it's a bad habit, it's just a guilty pleasure. I love chocolate chip cookies. Anywhere as far as eating chocolate chip cookies, I'll take that above anything. That's my top 5.